Hello future mathematicians, welcome to Arif Sir Science Hub. Let's solve the problems on the screen. You can see here x to the power 5 into x to the power 3. So the 5 and 3 is the power of x and base is x. So we have to multiply both of them. So the x is common here, then power will be added together, x to the power 8. Then similarly we have to divide x to the power 5 and x to the power 3. Then the base is common, and we know that if we have to divide with base common, then the power will be minus. Okay, here the power are in multiplied. 5 into 3, 15, and you can see here 5 and the power is 3. That means x to the power 25. So if you like this video, don't forget to follow and subscribe. Thank you.